Hello everyone, my name is Anisha. I welcome you all on the free webinar on SSB interview. So without further ado, let's start our webinar. So there's a bit about Warriors Creed. Before beginning on SSB interview, we will talk about what is Warriors Creed and what we are all about. As you know, in many ways, India's demographics are envy of the world, as the populations in the countries such as China, US, and Japan are getting older. India's population is getting younger. Thus, India is at cusp of realizing its demographic dividend given the burgeoning demand for skilled human resource globally. However, the projected demographic dividend would turn into demographic disaster if an unskilled, underutilized, and frustrated young population undermines social harmony and economic growth. While much is being talked about, this arduous challenge we may see it as an opportunity to reinvest in India. With this background, we have founded two organizations, namely Warriors Creed and X Factors Plus, to prepare young students and professionals as agents of social and economic transformation in the country. While the Warriors Creed prepare young students for careers in armed forces, the focus of X Factors Plus is to help professionals reskill and upskill themselves for the future jobs. While at Warriors Creed, we mentor and guide young aspirants to join uniformed services in military and parliamentary forces. We have customized modules designed for candidates aspiring to join as officers and other ranks. As we all know, that to become a defense officer, one has to go through service selection board interview. That is a 5-day interview process to assess the candidate suitability of becoming a military leader. The competition is very tough and only the handful few get through. We find lots of curiosity and questions among the aspirants on the SSB interview, and we keep on mentoring them from time to time. Here is one such opportunity where we have a special guest today who will answer all your questions to make right decision for yourself while you prepare for SSB interview. Let's welcome Captain Chinmay Nayak. Captain Chinmay Nayak is alumnus of Officers Training Academy and has put in 10 years of active military service in Indian Army. He was commissioned into the Regiment of Artillery and joined the most prestigious Bofors Regiment of the Indian Army. While in army, he he spent of his tenure in active field locations at high altitude in northeast and counter-insurgency operations area of Jammu and Kashmir. While being posted at the Indo-China border as a company commander, Captain Chinmay played a pivotal role during the successful testing trials of the artillery guns by the DRDO at an altitude above 18,000 feet. So this is the picture patrolling on the Indo-China border. Here are more few pictures where he is attending the Company 1 exercise. Shatrujit raced back 75 kilometers. He with brothers in armed dinner night, winning trophy field exercise at Officers Training Academy. He held various operational and administrative appointments at regimental level as a young officer. He excelled with an alpha grading during the young officers course, adding a feather to the cap. He also contributed to the active operations during Operation Parikraram being deployed at Indo-China border. So counter-insurgency ops area at Akhnur, Jammu and Kashmir. Young officers course graded alpha. His promotion and appreciation is brigade commander. He quote a thinker who can shoot and shooter who can think. Thank you Indian Army to enable me. They said I could do anything, so I became a soldier. After release from the army, He has been contributing to the risk management domain in corporate sector. He is also actively involved in the mentoring the youths for service selection board interviews. He conducts training programs on personality development, leadership, and is a motivational speaker. You may also find and follow him on his YouTube channel, inspiring the young generations with over 64 videos to his credit. The message is to become a little better each day in our lives. It's time to reinvent yourself. He also being facilitated by CEO of a risk management organization, leadership development session with budding leaders, ready to execute learning of army in a top IT MNC. Once again, we would like to welcome you all in this webinar. Be with us. So I would like Captain Chinmay to kindly turn on your video. Yeah.
Hi, Anisha. Thank you so much. Good morning to you all. And thank you so much for inviting me on this platform and so that I can speak to the young aspirants who desire to wear the uniform in their lifetime. Thank you again.
Thank you, sir. So there are a few questions from the aspirants. If the joining aspirants who have joined the Zoom meeting as well as the FB Live, are there any questions from your side to ask Chinmay Nayak regarding SSB interview? You are welcome. Kindly put up your questions and we will ask him. So there are some questions. In the case, so first the question would be by the aspirants asking, tell us about the SSB interview process.
Okay. So it's a very common question that comes to the mind of each aspirant. When some of the aspirants, they are preparing for the SSB or they have gotten, in fact, opportunity to go and appear before the board. So this is the first question that comes to the mind of the aspirants. And very, very common question, I think. And so before I start answering any question, I think a lot of aspirants are listening to this as of now. There are two things which will make you successful. The first thing is that the question you need to ask yourself whether you are interested to join the defense services, armed forces, or you are committed about it. Because when you are just interested, everyone is interested. Who doesn't want a better job, better life, and to do something different in their life? Everyone wants that. सभी को जरूरत है कोई कुछ अच्छा करने के लिए. लेकिन just think on that. If you are just interested to join the armed forces, then you will wait for the opportunity जब सब कुछ convenient होगा, and then you start your preparation. But if you are really committed, जब commitment आपके पास आएगा, then you will do anything and everything just to achieve that goal. So that question need to be answered, to be questioned to you, who are the aspirants, that what is my level of, is it just the interest that the other people are doing so, or it is the commitment that I need to, in fact, give in to get the desired results. So coming to the question that has been asked, what SSB is all about? Firstly, there are a lot of myths that generally the students or the aspirants have, that SSB is a testing procedure of 5 days. I would like to clarify that SSB doesn't hold any kind of tests. It's an assessment, I would like to term it rightly, that they just assess you whether you have the capabilities, you have the ability to become a military leader. There are leadership all across the world. Everyone is a leader in their own terms, in their own way, in their own domain. But what it takes to become a military leader, that is the, in fact, finding in a SSB assessment. And throughout the 5-day process, it's a 5-day process interview. I think most of you must be aware of it. In the complete 5-day process, they will assess you on various aspects, right? So as a leader, just one question you can ask to yourself, that what exactly are the qualities you would like to bring in within you to become a better individual, to become a better professional, and to become a better military leader. Just one difference. In fact, every individual reacts to some of the life situations in different way. We all agree to that. But how the individual reacts to, responds to, in fact, the situation during extreme pressure, during trouble times, during difficult times, that is the difference between a general leader and a military leader. So do you have those abilities? Are you, in fact, क्या आपको groom किया जा सकता है? Everyone doesn't have in fact a quality to become a military leader from day one. They look at the qualities, whether this person, this candidate can be groomable to become a military leader in future. You will be trained, you will be taken through a lot of, in fact, activities, lot of training programs, training modules. And then the finished product is a commissioned officer in the Indian Army, Navy, or Air Force. So this 5-day process is spread across with various phases of, in fact, assessments. The first day, when you go to the SSB, I think a screening test happens just to filter out the candidates, the crowd, I would say. Only 30% of the candidates get screened in, who get the privilege to prove their worth, to prove what they are, in fact, capability in the next 4 days through various other stages of, in fact, assessments that is done there. So this is a very rigorous, very well planned, very, in fact, you can say, it's a very designed and proved interview assessment process that helps the Indian Armed Forces is the outcome. Over to Anisha.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Another question that would be asking that what all is tested there and how someone can prepare for it.
Okay, this is a very interesting question. A lot of candidates, when they get in touch, I have mentored a lot of candidates, and so when the aspirants start preparing, the day when they get their call letter of the SSB, and it's hardly 15 days, 30 days, 45 days left about to get prepared. SSB is a preparation for life. SSB is an assessment, as I told you, and the complete SSB is revolving around 15 officer-like qualities. There are 15 officer-like qualities you need to, in fact, which you need to practice on a daily basis. Whatever you do, for example, if I talk about the initiative in leadership, just check in yourself that on a daily basis, what is the kind of initiative you have been taking in your 24 hours. If you're studying somewhere, when the complete class has vacated after the class, are you the one who goes back and switch off the lights and fan of the class? That's an initiative. For initiative or taking up any leadership roles, you don't require to be on a specific platform to, in fact, discharge. Yes, I get the opportunity, then only I will be able to showcase my, in fact, ability, what I have within me. It starts from where you are. It starts from what you do on a daily basis. So there are various tests that happens, and there is a psychological test part. Generally, it has got, after the screening, you have got 3 or 4 categories of tests that happens. The psychological part, how you think about the world, how you think about yourself. One is the interview part, personal interview, what you have been doing in your life, what is your perception to life, what you want to do in your life, what are the qualities. You should understand yourself, what you are and what you want to do in future. And the last one is a group testing that happens, where basically the assessment is done, because individually you are great. You may be a warrior, you may be winning a lot of, in fact, individual medals in your life, but how you perform as a team, because you are not one-man army. You have to lead a team who has to win the war. So that is the quality that is assessed there, that how you behave, how you react, how you respond, how you influence the group in which you operate. Anisha.
Yeah. Another question by the aspirant is what kind of preparation is required and how long you need to prepare for the exam?
So I think I have already answered this question कि SSB का preparation daily होता है. You will not be requiring any kind of specific preparation other than your OIR, Officer Intelligence Rating, जो basic mathematics, verbal और non-verbal in fact assessments होती है, जो questions आप लोग normally एक 8th, 9th, 10th student का standard का एक aspirant, एक candidate, एक student उसको answer कर सकता है. Rest, anything and everything is related to what you do in your daily life. How you operate in a group, how you operate individually, what exactly are the perceptions of the people around you about you. लोग आपके बारे में क्या सोचते हैं, आप अपने बारे में, हम सब अपने बारे में बहुत अच्छा सोचते हैं, right? We all are the favorite of ourselves. But हमारे आसपास के लोग, जो लोग हमसे इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, वो हमारे बारे में क्या सोचते हैं. And every quality that you develop to become a better human being, better individual, and then you become a better officer. उसके लिए हमें डेली ये प्रैक्टिस डेली है. एंड जब आप कॉन्शियसली आपको लगता है कि कोई क्वालिटी आप में है नहीं, बहुत सारी क्वालिटीज आपको पता होगी आप में है, कुछ क्वालिटीज आपको लगेगा कि मुझ में है कि नहीं वो पता नहीं, कॉन्शियसली उन क्वालिटीज को, उन इनफैक्ट एट्रीब्यूट्स को, ट्रेड्स को अपने लाइफ में शामिल करने की कोशिश करो. जब बचपन में आप होते थे तो साइकिल आपने एक दिन में चलाना नहीं सीखा, राइट? पहले कॉन्शियसली आपने उस पे पहले जानने की कोशिश की वो चीज है क्या थियोरेटिकली, फिर आपने प्रैक्टिकली उस पे चढ़ने की कोशिश की, फिर वो आधा जो स्टैंड के थ्रू हम आधा करके साइकिल बचपन में चलाते थे उसमें आपने किया. तो धीरे धीरे जो ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम ये जो कॉन्शियसली आप जो चीजें करते थे वो आपके सबकॉन्शियस में शामिल होने लगता है. It gets added, it gets in fact reflected in whatever you do, how you think, how you respond to the life. So I think SSB का मेरा ये मानना है, you can get, of course, a guidance is required कि आपको क्या करना है, because बच्चों को ये लगता है कि SSB का 5 दिन में मुझे सिर्फ जाके वहां लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज डिस्प्ले करनी है. एक लीडर को हमेशा लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज डिस्प्ले करनी होती है, लेकिन हमेशा लीड करने की जरूरत नहीं. There are times when you have to follow also. There are times when you need to seek support from your team members. That's how you operate in a team. तो किस टेस्ट में आपका सबसे पहले you need to understand what is the reasons why these assessments are designed. In assessments के जो वहां पर SSB में होते हैं उनका मकसद क्या है, what exactly they are trying to bring in within you, क्या चीजें वो बाहर लाना चाह रहे हैं. जब आपको वो समझ में आएगा तब जाके आप अपने रिस्पॉन्स उसके लिए, जब आपने सवाल ही नहीं समझा तो आप रिस्पॉन्स कैसे अपना कर सकते. तो मेंटरिंग गाइडेंस आपको जरूरत है, बट यस ऑन ए डेली बेसिस आपको प्रिपरेशन करने की जरूरत है. प्रिपरेशन इन द सेंस कि आपको पता होना चाहिए मुझे वहां पर असेसमेंट में क्या क्या चीजें वहां पूछी जाती है, लेकिन वहां पर वही चीजें आपके सामने आएगी जो आप डेली रेगुलर बेसिस पे आप वो चीज करते आ रहे हो फॉर सम टाइम. दैट इज द माइंडसेट. Anisha.
Sir, Gyanendra is asking how many days training required to be ready for SSB?
I think मेरा ये क्वेश्चन अभी थैंक यू ज्ञानेंद्र फॉर आस्किंग दैट क्वेश्चन. ट्रेनिंग की इसमें जरूरत नहीं है. ये एक पर्सनालिटी, एसएसबी इज ऑल अबाउट योर पर्सनालिटी, योर एटीट्यूड, योर बिहेवियर, योर इमोशंस. अगर ये 4 चीजें आपके कंट्रोल में है, आपके हिसाब से चलती है आपके लाइफ में, राइट, एंड पॉजिटिव है, कुछ क्रिएटिव है, तो आई थिंक यू आर ऑलरेडी एन ऑफिसर. उसके लिए आपको एसएसबी क्लियर करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये एक ऑफिसर, जो OLQs हम बोलते हैं, ऑफिसर लाइक क्वालिटीज, these are the qualities इनफैक्ट जो हर एक इंडिविजुअल में, चाहे वो फौज में हो, चाहे वो इनफैक्ट सिविल में हो, ये एक माइंडसेट है. इट्स जस्ट अ माइंडसेट. तो वो माइंडसेट आप अपने आप में डेवलप कर पाते हो तो आई थिंक बाकी जो है वो दैट्स आई थिंक इट इज वो स्किल्स है छोटी मोटी इनफैक्ट तैयारी से यू शुड बी एबल टू गेट थ्रू.
Actually, he's asking for how many days training will be required.
सी गाइडेंस एंड मेंटरिंग अगर किसी को एक्चुअली चाहिए एंड जिसके अंदर क्वालिटीज हैं, कम्युनिकेशंस थोड़े ठीक हैं। बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स कम्युनिकेशन इनफैक्ट आते हैं जो डिस्कस करते हैं कि मेरे से काफी एस्पिरेंट्स ने डिस्कस किया था कि सर मेरा कम्युनिकेशन काफी वीक है, राइट। बहुत सारे एस्पिरेंट्स कम्युनिकेशन और वोकाबुलरी के बीच में कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं। एसएसबी में आपका कम्युनिकेशन ठीक होना चाहिए। कम्युनिकेशन इन द सेंस कि आप जो बोल रहे हो बेसिक, हाँ यस ऑफ कोर्स द बेसिक इंग्लिश जो वो जरूरत है, बट वोकेबुलरी में बहुत आपको इनफैक्ट जो डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स हैं, हाई फाई वर्ड्स हैं, उसको आपको यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं है। लेकिन सिंपल वे में आप अपने तरीके से अगर लोगों को समझा पा रहे हो, यू हैव ए गुड कम्युनिकेशन। सो आपको तैयारी के लिए मेंटरिंग और गाइडेंस के लिए आपको अगर एसएसबी टेस्ट के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत पता चल जाए, आई थिंक अगर आपने कुछ इनमें से कुछ क्वालिटीज आप हमेशा अपने लाइफ में इनकलकेट किए हो, उसको प्रैक्टिस करते हो, आई थिंक इट शुड नॉट बी मोर देन 15 days should be good enough to prepare for the interview.
Okay. Santosh is asking, what are the skills we need to work on to clear the interview?
स्किल्स में एक तो राइटिंग स्किल्स यू नीड टू रिक्वायर। सो इसी एसएसबी के लिए एक और चीज मैं आपको बताता हूँ। एसएसबी में सारी चीजें साइकोलॉजिकली रिलेटेड है। वहां पर ये एक्सपेक्ट किया जाता है कि वॉट एवर यू थिंक ड्यूरिंग योर इनफैक्ट साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट, दे विल इनफैक्ट take out all the qualities what you have in your mind. So whatever you think, whatever you speak during your group discussion, during your interview, and whatever you do, whatever you act during a group or in fact individual GTO tasks, ये तीनों आपके मैच करने चाहिए, राइट। सो दैट एक फेक पर्सनालिटी किसको बोलते हैं, जो सोचता कुछ और है, बोलता कुछ और है और करता कुछ और है। लेकिन एक इंडिविजुअल जो ग्रूम होता है टू बी एन ऑफिसर इन द आर्म फोर्सेस, जो सोच रहा है वही बोल रहा है और वही उसके प्रैक्टिस में है, उसी को कर रहा है। अगर ये तीनों चीज आप मैच कर पाते हो, एंड ये तभी पॉसिबल है जब आप रूटीन में उन चीजों को अपने इनफैक्ट लाइफ में शामिल करोगे, रादर देन वेटिंग फॉर कि मैं एसएसबी में जा रहा हूँ, ये एक महीना मैं सबसे आइडियल कैंडिडेट हूँ, आइडियल पर्सन हूँ, एंड उसके बाद मैं बैक टू स्क्वायर वन, जो चीजें मैं पहले करता हूँ मैं वही चीजें कर रहा हूँ। तो ये एक आदत है। स्किल्स में अगर हम बात करें पर्टिकुलरली, तो ऑफिसर इंटेलिजेंस रेटिंग के लिए आपको बेसिक अपने वर्बल नॉन वर्बल रीजनिंग के ऊपर थोड़ा कंट्रोल होना चाहिए। देयर आर सम इनफैक्ट टेस्ट्स व्हिच यू नीड टू वर्क आउट ऑन दी अगेंस्ट द टाइम इनफैक्ट। सो टाइम इज वेरी लिमिटेड, काफी सारी चीजें लिखनी पड़ती है। मे बी यू आर फ्रेमिंग सेंटेंसेस इन WAT, देन यू आर राइटिंग बैक टू बैक 12 स्टोरीज, 12 स्टोरीज आप लिखते हो ऑन अ पिक्चर दैट इज शोन टू यू फॉर 30 seconds। तो उसमें एंड एक स्टोरी लिखने के लिए यू हैव अ टाइम ऑफ 3 to 4 minutes। तो राइटिंग स्किल्स इनफैक्ट चाहिए, सो दैट योर राइटिंग वॉट एवर you have written there is legible, it is clear, and it makes sense. Apart from that, I don't think there is any additional skills that is required. But yes, mindset is required, that how you think about yourself, how you think about the people around you, how you think about the ecosystem, the environment you are in. And so that's it. I think that should help someone to get through the SSB interview.
Okay, thank you, sir. Another aspirant is asking, can I opt in any other language other than English?
Ideally, no. But yes, if you are stuck up somewhere, if you are really a good candidate, communication has never been in fact a barrier. I have seen in my forces where there are very good officers who have done very good, in fact, in Indian Army. Maybe somewhere they're not very good at the English vocabulary, I would say. You may use some, in fact, Hindi conversations in between, but majority, I think 70-80% of the communication should be in English. It should be in simple English. No one is expecting there that you should have a very large bank of vocabulary, and you are speaking in fact something that people are unable to understand, right? So it's very simple English, which consists of jam, and whatever the simple English that we try to speak to with our friends, try to speak to with our parents or teachers. That should suffice. But yes, communication will be important. English communication is a long-term process. Overnight, no one is able to develop that. There are some of the tricks, some of the tips you can always do. Try to read as much as, in fact, literature. Whatever you want to develop, you need to devote time for that. कुछ लिटरेचर पढ़िए, उस लिटरेचर को इनफैक्ट मैं एक प्रैक्टिकल चीज बताता हूँ. किसी ऑफिस में मैं काम कर रहा था, तो मेरे साथ एक कलीग थे. उनका कम्युनिकेशन बाकी चीजों में, कंप्यूटर्स और बाकी चीजों, प्रेजेंटेशंस, एवरीथिंग ही वाज वेरी गुड. ग्राउंड एक्टिविटीज में वेरी गुड. कम्युनिकेशन थोड़ा वीक था, लेकिन बट वो दूसरों को देख के सीखने की उनकी बड़ी आदत थी और जज्बा था. तो जब हम होटल से हमेशा ऑफिस जाते थे, कुछ दिन के लिए हम लोग गए थे वहां पर, उनकी कम्युनिकेशन वीक थी, उनको पता था. तो क्या करते थे वो कि आज मेरे को जाके वहां पर जिन लोगों से मुझे इंग्लिश में बात करनी है या मुझे कुछ पूछना है, ही यूज्ड टू रिहर्स दैट. कार में जब हम दोनों एक साथ दो साइड में बैठे होते थे, तो वो बड़बड़ाते रहते थे. तो मैंने पूछा कि क्या बड़बड़ा रहे हो. He told that today there is something, in fact, I want to ask the people during the meeting. It's okay. It's small thought, but it takes a long way, in fact, for the individual to go. तो कहीं ना कहीं से हमें शुरुआत करनी है. अगर हम पैनिक बोलेंगे कि या मेरे को कोई टैबलेट मिलेगा, कुछ सूप मिलेगा जिसको मैं पीने से मेरी कम्युनिकेशन ओवरनाइट अच्छी होगी, ओवरनाइट अच्छी नहीं होगी. आपको उसके लिए कंसिस्टेंट प्रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा. एसएसबी के कॉल आने के बाद ही आपको प्रिपेयर नहीं करना है, आपको प्रिपेयर आज से करना है, क्योंकि बेसिक कम्युनिकेशन जरूरत है. एंड वी कैन कीप इट एज सिंपल एज पॉसिबल. इसमें बहुत ज्यादा क्रिटिकलिटी, बहुत ज्यादा इनफैक्ट वर्ड बैंक हमें लेने की जरूरत नहीं. So you need to start somewhere. In fact, daily base पे कुछ literature पढ़ो and in fact speak in front of a mirror or with some friend, with some family. Try speaking that. Try speaking. Make it wrong. फौज में एक कहावत है, the more you sweat in peace, the less you bleed in war. तो ये जो टाइम है आपका, ये पीस टाइम है. जितनी आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे, उतने आप बेटर परफॉर्म करोगे, आपके बेटर चांसेस है परफॉर्म करने का, जब आपको वो चीजें डिलीवर करनी होती. Anisha.
Santosh is asking another question from you is about current affairs and general knowledge preparation also matters.
Yes, Santosh. So current affairs, general knowledge matter इसलिए करता है because आप एक जो environment में रहते हो, अगर एक इंडिविजुअल सिर्फ अपने ही बारे में जानता है, तो हम लोग उसको सेल्फ सेंटर्ड इंडिविजुअल कहेंगे. आपको अपने कंट्री के बारे में, आपको जिस फील्ड में इंटरेस्ट है, साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी हो, स्पोर्ट्स हो, तो डेली बेस पे आपको दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है उसको भी जानना जरूरी है. यू शुड नो, यू मस्ट नो, इन फैक्ट, राइट. इट मे और मे नॉट इम्पैक्ट यू इनडायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली, बट keeping a note, being aware of some of these things really helps. That's the, in fact, quality of a, in fact, intellectual person who try to, in fact, get the information, what is happening in and around him. So that is required, and on a daily basis, इसके लिए करना क्या है? इसके लिए कोई किताब नहीं पढ़ना. जो लोग करंट अफेयर्स के लिए किताब पढ़ते हैं या करंट अफेयर्स का डाइजेस्ट ला के एग्जाम से पहले पढ़ते हैं, they are not doing it, in fact, in a right way. वो टेम्पररी होता है. ये आदत आपको डेली बेस पे डालनी पड़ेगी. मे बी फॉर 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you can watch any Hindi or English news channel or your local, in fact, media channel, which you feel that if there is some worthwhile discussion that is going on, listen to that. So you are aware of what is happening, how the country is moving, how your state is moving, what are the things that is coming in for education, what are the things that is coming in for the so anything that is a change, that is a development, it's okay. I think we should be aware of it, that I feel, and that helps.
So another question from you is, what is the merit out in SSB?
I couldn't get you, Anisha. Can you repeat?
What is a merit out in SSB?
Merit out, I'm not getting it.
Gyanendra, can you please clarify what is the merit out? Okay, moving to the next question. How to prepare for personal interview? What all we need to look into?
As the name suggests, it's personal interview. So the questions are completely based on you, your personal life, your family, your academics, your co-curricular activities, anything and everything which relates to you and your family or your environment in which you are living in, right? So I think it is just general. 45 to 1 hour in fact is the time, average time that a candidate spends for the interview. And so these are the related questions, right? And if someone is from any specific trade, maybe there are service entries who are from the Army, Navy, Air Force who go for the SSB, and maybe some of the specialized trades in the JAG branch or in other branches. So there would be some, in fact, one or two questions or three to five questions related to your trade, what you have been doing. Because people expect that what exactly, everyone say that when I get this opportunity I will do wonders, but what exactly you are doing, what you are doing in the field, what you are doing now. If you are not successful in what you are doing now, how can you prove that you will be successful when you be a commissioned officer in Indian Army? So whatever we do on a daily basis, we should be proving our worth in that. That is the primary aim, and that the SSB looks for.
Perfect. One of the aspirant is saying that they say that you need to draw positive perceptions for the images you see in TAT and positive sentences you frame from WAT. Is it true?
So yes, it's true, because they expect that the person who is going to become a commissioned officer in the Army, Navy, or Air Force, he is driving the life of 120 men into battle. The risk of their lives, the risk of their safety lies on his shoulders. How competent is he? How positively he looks at the things? Because whenever you are in difficult times, whenever you are in troubled times, we generally give up. Most of us give up, right? So we need to draw the positive perceptions out of everything. Everyone goes through difficult times. सभी के लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स है, सभी के लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ इनफैक्ट चैलेंजेस है, जिसके वजह से हम उसको ब्लेम करना शुरू करते हैं कि मैं अपने लाइफ में इसको मैं ग्रो नहीं कर पा रहा. So I always ask, there are two questions that you can ask in such scenarios. ऐसे जब सिचुएशंस आते हैं, आप अपने आप को दो सवाल पूछ सकते हैं. जब आप डिफिकल्ट टाइम से जा रहे हो, आपको लगता है कुछ भी सही नहीं हो रहा है आपके लाइफ में, पहला सवाल ये है कि व्हाई इज दिस हैपनिंग टू मी. एक सवाल अपने आप से ये पूछ सकते हो कि मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, मैंने क्या किसका बिगाड़ा है, मैंने क्या भगवान का बिगाड़ा है. एक सवाल ये है जिसका जवाब आपको कभी भी कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा, राइट? लेकिन एक सवाल आप ये पूछ सकते हो कि व्हाट दिस इज ट्राइंग टू टीच मी. जब आप कोई डिफिकल्ट टाइम से जाते हो तो आपको कहीं ना कहीं वो चीजें, अगर आप सवाल पूछोगे, मुझे क्या सिखा रहा है, मेरे लाइफ में मुझे क्या चेंज करना है, क्या बदलाव लाना है कि मैं अपने गोल्स तक पहुंच पाऊं. ये जो बैरियर्स है, जो बॉटलनेक्स है, ये कहीं पर ये काम नहीं करेंगे. अगर दूसरे सवाल का जवाब आपको मिल गया तो बिलीव मी, देयर इज नथिंग, यू जस्ट बिकम अनस्टॉपेबल. देयर इज नथिंग दैट कैन स्टॉप यू. So ask the second question always to yourself, and I think you will find the way. मैं एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल आपको एक सुनाता हूं. एक कोई स्टूडेंट, शी वाज अ एस्पायरिंग कैंडिडेट फॉर एयर फोर्स, मेरे से बात कर रही थी. तो सर 15-20 मिनट बात हुआ, एंड शी वांटेड सम गाइडेंस टू बी गिवन टू हर. तो मेरे को पूछा 15 मिनट के बाद, सर आप 15 मिनट तक मुझसे बात कर रहे हो, डू यू रियली थिंक आई कैन क्लियर एसएसबी? तो मैंने इनफैक्ट उसको ये बोला कि कैन यू गिव मी अ मोमेंट.
Sure, sir.
या सो मैंने बोला कि बिफोर आई आंसर यू दैट क्वेश्चन कि आप एसएसबी क्लियर कर पाओगे या नहीं कर पाओगे, मेरे एक सवाल का आप जवाब दो. तो बोला यस सर श्योर, मैं आपके सवाल का जवाब देती हूँ. मैंने बोला व्हाई डू यू थिंक सो दैट यू कैन नॉट क्लियर एसएसबी? तुम्हें क्यों लगता है कि तुम एसएसबी क्लियर नहीं कर पाओगे या जो गोल तुमने अपने लाइफ में लिया है उसे अचीव नहीं कर पाओगे? तो उसने गहरी सांस लेके मुझे 5 ऐसी चीजें बताई। सर, मेरा कम्युनिकेशन थोड़ा वीक है, मेरा राइटिंग स्किल्स थोड़ा वीक है, मेरा फिजिकल फिटनेस थोड़ा वीक है, राइट? ऐसे करके 5 चीजें गिनाई। मैंने बोला नाउ आई कैन से दैट यू कैन क्लियर एसएसबी। तो सरप्राइज हो गई, बोलोगे सर ऐसे आप कैसे कह सकते हो? मैंने बोला पूरी दुनिया में देयर आर 80% ऑफ द पीपल जिनको लाइफ टाइम पता नहीं चलता है कि उनमें कमियां क्या क्या है, वेयर डू दे लैक, किन चीजों में उनको इंप्रूव करना है। जिस दिन आपको ये चीज पता चल गई कि मेरे अंदर ये कमी है, लोगों को कमियां अपने ढूंढने के लिए पूरी जिंदगी लग जाती है। जिस दिन आपको ये पता चला, द डे यू फाइंड दैट दीज आर माय शॉर्टकमिंग्स, आई नीड टू ओवरकम दिस, दैट इज द बिगिनिंग ऑफ योर लाइफ। और आपको अभी पता है यू आर वीक इन 1 2 3 4 5, जस्ट शॉर्टलिस्ट कर लिया आपने। लाइफ में हमारे कितने ट्रेड्स हैं, कितनी क्वालिटीज हैं, यू हैव शॉर्टलिस्टेड एवरीथिंग नाउ। इन 5 चीजों पे अगर आप फोकस करते हो, यू आर एबल टू गेट थ्रू योर गोल। सो व्हाई यू आर इन सेल्फ डाउट? क्यों डाउट है आपको कि मैं इसको कर नहीं पाऊंगा? ये वही कर नहीं पाएंगे जिनको पता नहीं रहता है मेरे में कमी क्या है, और बहुत लोग पता होने के बाद भी उस पर काम नहीं करते। सो वो एक अलग कैटेगरी ऑफ पीपल है। तो अगर आपको पता है, दैट इज योर फर्स्ट अचीवमेंट दैट यू हैव डन, कि मुझे पता है मेरे वीकनेसेस, मेरे शॉर्टकमिंग्स क्या है। अगर उस पर आप काम नहीं कर रहे हो तो आप बेवकूफी कर रहे हो, क्योंकि आधे लोगों को पता नहीं रहता है और आपको पता है, दैट मीन्स यू आर बेटर देन 50% ऑफ द पीपल। एंड आफ्टर नोइंग योर शॉर्टकमिंग्स यू आर नॉट वर्किंग ऑन देम, दैट विल नॉट हेल्प। होप आई कुड मेक माई पॉइंट। मैं जो समझाना चाह रहा हूँ आपको बता पाया।
Yes, sir, such informative actually. Another question on chat is, will there be any case study they will be giving during personal interview on current scenarios like politics, sports, economics, etc.?
So there are no case studies, but there is a situation reaction test that happens in your psychological test. You will be given almost 60 situations, scenarios, real life scenarios, that you need to how you respond to those scenarios, and you need to give each answer in 30 seconds. 60 questions, 30 minutes. That means you get only 30 seconds to give a response, how you will respond to those situations. So I think agar in a routine life जैसे आप करते हो, whatever you do, जो आपके खून में शामिल हो जाता है ना, whatever gets embedded in your blood, you should be, वो आंख बंद करके भी you can just do those drills. अगर आप रास्ते में जा रहे हो, there is some people lying there, accident हुआ है in a pool of blood, if you are the person who is picking up that person and taking him to the hospital, you will give the right response. So it's up to us how we look at things. घर से हम जब बाहर निकलते हैं, how we behave with people. हमें लोगों से अच्छा लगता है बात करने के लिए. Every time we say that we feel very good in speaking to those people, but for how many people we are that person? कितने लोगों को हमसे बात करके अच्छा लगता है? They feel good about life. They feel good about everything. They feel energized. They feel motivated. Just ask this question to yourself. So situations will be given to you, and definitely you will be writing those responses which you do in your daily life. You cannot mask the responses. The time is so short. Time is so short that you cannot mask any responses. Whatever you are, your genuinity, your originality will definitely come out there. Right? So start practicing. Whoever is listening, be a good human being first, and then that is the beginning of the journey to be a good officer in the armed forces.
Thank you, sir. So one question is, so what is more important, speed of answer in bracket quick response or thought behind it?
I think thought behind is the most prioritized. What you think about it, right? Speed of answers, yes. When you have the thought, you will have the speed of responding also. So everything start. If your thoughts are delayed, you try to in fact frame or tailor your responses. You get delayed in the first aspect. But if it is an instant, genuine thought that is coming to your mind, I think you should be able to give your responses very quickly.
Thank you, sir. So hope we can ask 2-3 questions more from you.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so one of the question in the chat is, how can be confident of the personal interview and what all need to prepare for? So you have already talked about that. So let's move on to the next question. That is, how difficult is the day one screening and what are the guidelines to ensure that you get screened in?
Okay. Okay. So screening, as I already told, that screening is where out of 100 candidates, 70 candidates do not make it. It's only 30% of the candidate who make it to the stage 2 testing after the screening. So you can imagine that if it's a, what is the kind of, in fact, result that we get in screening. And screening generally tests you in all the aspects. It's a broad, in fact, the assessment is done on the complete, in fact, your OIR, how much your intelligence is, your IQ, your basic intelligence, and then subsequently you are given what is your perception, what you think about when you are asked to write a story for 3 minutes after showing a picture, a hazy picture on 30 seconds, right? And every individual in the hall, 100 people will perceive, believe me, they will perceive the story differently. Every story will be different there, and only that story is relevant, that story is important, which is very close to life, which is real time, what happens in our daily lives, and what is the positive outcome. Everyone goes through a negative scenario sometime or the other in their life, right? But from that negative situation scenario, what is the positive outcome we can have, what best we can make out of that. People say na ki when you are given lemons, then prepare lemonades, right? लोग जब नींबू देते हैं आपको, क्या करोगे? जूस बनाओगे, पियोगे? What best the positive outcome that we can have from that negative situation, that is your personality. And then subsequently when we go for the narration and the discussion part, that is where the difference you can make. Majority, how you are influential in a group, how people would love to listen to you. People would love to listen to you when you talk sense, when you listen to others, when you respect other people who are in the group, then only they will love to listen to you, right? So I think these are some of the things that some people need to take care of and to do well during the screening part.
Thank you, sir. One other question is there any specific questions from trade or the profession that you are in? For example, the entries like JAG or service entry candidates.
So there'll be very few questions. As I already answered this question, there will be few questions which will be related to your trade or what the profession you are currently in, right? The SSB, in fact, panel would like to know that what exactly is the, how you are doing in your current scenario, in your current time. If you are doing well with the current situation, then they feel that, yes, what you know about your current profession, how well versed you are with the technology or the equipments that you are dealing with. We cannot say that to this job, I am not satisfied, I am not doing well, and I can assure you that if I become an officer in the Indian Army, I will do very well. That doesn't help. That doesn't work out in that way. You have to be doing great in whatever you are doing. Then only there is an opportunity for people who will give you opportunity to perform better in your life.
So one of the question in the chat is how to revive our mental strength after a failure attempt. Your thoughts on it?
Can you repeat it, please?
How to revive our mental strength after a failure attempt, and your thoughts on it. What are your thoughts on it?
Okay, so I would like to talk, in fact, tell all those aspirants who get disappointed while they fail, right? So that is not, that is the first thing they fail in SSB, right? SSB, in fact, they screen people who are mentally tough, mentally robust, and they do not get demoralized on their failures. They only gain experience. They only learn from the failures and make it better. If I talk about myself, whole life I have failed many times. And if I talk about SSB, I failed in SSB two consecutive times. And third time I could get through. At that point of time, there was no such webinars, no such, in fact, mentoring or guidance, not much, in fact. Guidance, in fact, programs were there. People could guide each other. The first SSB, I got straight away. In fact, I was very confident, which each one of us feels. We are very confident. We have learned everything. And when we go to SSB, the first day when I went to my SSB was Allahabad board. When I went there, I got screened out. I just lost my, in fact, direction, my north for some time. What has happened? Everyone was really expecting, yes, I think you should be able to do it. But that should be for a fraction of a second. I started realizing when I was getting back in a train, that point of time, we were given the privilege of a train in the sleeper class to go to SSB and come back one time. I thought about it. What exactly has gone wrong? And that's what you need to do. What has gone wrong? Make it better and appear for next time. Second time I went to the Bangalore SSB, I got screened in. That means I have worked on my shortcomings. I have worked where it didn't work out last time. I could stay there for complete 5 days. And this time I was really hoping that, yes, I will get through. I was doing really well. Everyone was on a daily basis. The students, when we get back to barrack in the evening, everyone was appreciated. Yeah, this time you will get through. You are doing really great. There were GTOs and the assessors who were putting pat on my back when I was performing there. I was surely very confident. Yes, this time I am getting through. Very confident, maybe overconfident. And the last day, the fifth day, when the conference happened, I was just thrown out. It shattered me because second consecutive time and 5 days, again, what happened? Nothing was happening wrong in fact. Then again, same, I boarded my train, and while I was back to my hometown, during the journey, I thought about it. 5 days, what has gone wrong? I assessed everything. Third attempt was my Bhopal SSB. I could get screened in because I knew what I have to do in screening. I could sail through successfully. In my next, I got recommended. Only 2 candidates in my batch got recommended out of 150 in the third time. So I think you need to ask yourself the question where it has gone wrong, rather than getting demoralized, getting out of track. No, it is not for me. There are candidates who have gone to SSB and scaled through or became successful after 7-8 attempts. There are candidates. Don't leave hope. There will be something you will get to know. Yes, this has gone wrong. It's just about how each day you become one step closer to the perfection. You will never become perfect, but you can get one more step closer. That is how the life is. And I think you all should practice and implement that.
Indeed, sir, we can see your hard work in the Crack for SSB interview. So you have already told us about the experience of your SSB round. So can you, if you want to put up any more points on how you prepare for it?
No, nothing, Anisha. I think I have covered everything.
Okay.
I would like to give a very, in fact, short guideline to all the aspirants who are listening to this. Firstly, they need to understand that whatever in your life you are trying to achieve, if it is worthwhile, then it is going to be difficult. You that I want to become an IAS officer, I want to become an Indian Army officer, right? If it is worthwhile for you, the journey is going to be difficult. You need to first admit that. Second point is that there is called a law of diminishing intent. The more you wait for something to start, the lesser are the chances of you starting it. If you are preparing for some exam, get started from day one. You need not to have a proper coaching institute. You need not to have in fact, there are a lot of things in this world we do not know. We need not to have, in fact, anything. We know that what exactly Google something, take out any book, study. So it's your personal development. You need to look at it. You need to think on it. So whatever you want to do, get started immediately. Don't wait for the perfect time to happen. Perfect time will never come in the life. As I told that, if you are interested to join the Indian Armed Forces, then you will wait for the convenient time to join for it, or go for it, or go for a mentoring or guidance program, go for a coaching and start preparing. But if you are committed, you will start immediately, right now where you are sitting. Secondly, there are two things. I always tell some of the aspirants that you get motivation from in and around people around you. I'm speaking to you, maybe you get motivated for some time, but you need to keep yourself inspired from within. That will help you to reach your, in fact, goal. Never give up so soon. Try for it, go for it. There will be a lot of, in fact, professions, lot of, what do you say, assignments in your life, which you may not fit into. It's okay, but don't give up too soon. There will be some other assignments, some other opportunities, which people will be looking for the candidates like you. So never give up, give your, in fact, people get demoralized when they don't get through SSB. And so there is nothing to get demoralized. There are a lot of people who are successful in their lives. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he's a SSB failure, but how successful he is in his life. So first become an individual, right? SSB has got its own, in fact, criteria, own expectations to meet. It's okay if we do not meet some of the expectations, but we should try not give up too soon. Secondly, and lastly, one thing, that if you are passionate about something, it will get you started. It will give you, in fact, opportunity to start something. But it's the ownership that will get you finish, or get you, in fact, reach your goal. So passion is, maybe you have to be very considered, consistent, but you have to take the ownership for the passion. You are passionate about joining the army. You are passionate about getting, in fact, 97% in your board exams. But where is the ownership? Why your parents will go and wake you up? In fact, please wake up and prepare for your exams. It's you who should not be sleeping. So these are some of the things I think for every aspirant, every student who is listening to this should be helpful and to scale in their lives.
Thank you, sir, for providing the short message to all the young aspirants. I would like to thank you, to those who are attending our most recent webinar, the free webinar and SSB interview. Thank you to all those who attended in our webinar, and we are thrilled by your presence. We would like to thank our presenter, Captain Chinmay Nayak. In case the viewers who are unable to view or attend the webinar, the live webinar is already there on the Facebook, as well as it is recorded. So you can go and watch there. Thank you again for your attendance. We look forward to bring you even more webinars in our near future. So Warriors Creed prepares students for all defense exam and SSB interview. We welcome you to start your preparation with Warriors Creed. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the webinar. Thank you all the participants for attending it. And we may now end the webinar. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. All the best.